everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the coins that have been traded over the last few days. It's been fairly volatile for the Binance trading bot and finance, the futures. There's a bunch in here. People have been asking me what are the right coins to trade, so I thought, hey, why not go through them? This might take a while because there's so many coins out there, but the ones that are performers we're going to look at. The ones that are not, we're not going to bother. So what I'm going to look at, these are the daily trades of each bot. You can see here how it breaks it up is we have the coin, okay, we have the overall daily P&L, profit and loss for the day. This is the number of times it had a profitable trade. This is a number of times this trade was the number of trades actually, and then this one is the total number of trades that were profitable, kind of like a win ratio. So again, I'll repeat: symbol, P&L, wins, number of trades, and then the win ratio. People seem to be caught up in there in the wrong reasons. So what I'm going to look at is I got my good old Motorway here. I've shown this a few days ago. Some of these other coins are performing. Here's one that's been doing really well. I think that is ZIL. XRP is getting crushed, as you can see. Can you imagine that? We predicted this a couple of weeks ago, and there it is. It's pushing towards $1,000. Bitcoin again. We've had some really strong days. If you were in my bot with this kind of coin and this kind of performance for over 2 days, you would have made over 100 grand from one Bitcoin if you were to invest on that one Bitcoin on November 11th. So just in 2 days, you would have made 100 grand in that performance. So here we're now going to start looking, are there better performers out there, and talk about them. So let's check them out. So this is from today. It's been very profitable with a P&L 39. I'll be showing the equity curves probably later today. So some of these bots have been doing just really awesome. So let me just go through these from the bottom up. So I'm going to clear out a lot of these charts here. And I'll bring in Bitcoin to reference to as a comparer. And again, this is Binance futures market with USDT, because everything's in USDT or Tether for those markets. So we know that Bitcoin really started to take off since mid-October. And Adam here, again, nothing to say here. Not a really good one. ZRX we'll look at. ZRX. This one should be pretty good. Oh no, a big disappointment there. So again, these are daily charts here. So if you're one of these hodlers, this was not a good one to be in. But it did really well today. Okay, so let's look at Ocean. One thing I want you to take away is if you're hodling, you got to hodl the more popular ones, and the ones that are really performing are the ones that you read about and hear about in the news. So look at this Ocean, but other than that, it's really gone nowhere. Here's one that was supposed to be a really hot DeFi coin. So just so you know, my next prediction is that if we have Ethereum doing the 750, we should start seeing some of the coins, the DeFi coins, start to take off. You can see here, Sushi's been nothing but a cash grab for the founder, and that just kind of floundered since. So let's take now. Litecoin is a different story. It's one of the big 5 coins. This one, there has been some outperformance compared to Bitcoin. So you can see here some of the jumps day by day have been much higher. So what we're comparing again from the same time period is around, let's say, $50 to 137. So it's close to tripling as well as Bitcoin's pretty well close to that as well. CRV. I think this is a DeFi coin. I'm not sure, but again, another disaster. This is what we went through for most of the year. You can see here from let's say May till August, Bitcoin moved a little bit, but it didn't skyrocket until where it's at now. So CRV. Okay, so now here's YFI. YFII. This was a fairly hot coin. This is a Chinese one, a Chinese interpreted, I believe, but as well. I'm not sure if that will get. That was the YFI is the original one. You can see here YFI's did really well, 2,000 and 9,000. So that's YFI, YF2. It's just been pretty well dead. Occasionally it can perform. It's a top performer today. But what can you say? Doge. This is one of those coins that I did not like. This apparently is being tweeted about a lot by Elon Flat. It's only when Elon Musk talks about it. But this one has done okay lately. Let's check out another one. TRX Tron. Alright, so I wouldn't be surprised you'll start to see a lot of these coins get killed off eventually. Just kind of going nowhere with Tron. These coins could do well randomly from day to day. It's a good strategy to have what I have. Rune, that one's kind of performed, but it's just gone into a choppy mode. Let's see, KSM. Yeah, like I said, this is going to be one of those long, drawn-out. Again, not bad, but again, compared to Bitcoin and the big ones, not good. So let's see, ETC, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, USDT. That one's been can perform pretty good. Like when the overall markets, crypto markets do bad, sometimes the ETC can perform really well. But again, you just don't see the performance that you want to see with a Bitcoin. Not good. TRX Dash. Let's look at Dash. DASH. I haven't done this in a while. Most of the focus has been in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see here it's done fairly well, but just looking at the chart, has gone choppy in the last couple of weeks. So again, we have KSM, and again, these are ones that are profitable from today. But these are definitely not top performers. Again, not a solid move up. We have Zero Zcash. The anonymous coins should do fairly well because just choppy again. I'm not very impressed with a lot of these. There's one I like called ZIL, which I like, KNC. And again, these are just ones that I've seen over the last few months just have not really gone anywhere. And this says something overall about the space of crypto, that I think some of these smaller ones, you will start to see them eventually die. EGLD. This is a new one. Again, that looks pretty good. From $8 to $28. That's pretty close to 3.5 time return. So that's not too bad. And there's another one here, and near USDT. What do I think is going to happen to the overall, these smaller altcoins? I think, as I said, they're going to get dropped off. People lose interest. Here's one I've always liked is OMG. But let's just see how it does. It's because I've not really paid any attention to these, and I think this could be said for a lot of coins. You can see how it's done really well in August and just gone into decline mode. Another one that was supposed to do well and did have some potential is a DeFi coin called Polkadot. There's a lot of hype behind this, so this is dot USDT. Hello, so that was a DeFi coin. So we have here, okay, so we have DOT. Now this one I think is probably one of the better ones, ZIL. been around for a while, but look at that. That's the one I was talking about. Really nice move up. That's a 7-time return, so that's easily outperformed Bitcoin. Okay, or 4-time return. Really nice coin to have if you're going to hodl. Another one that was call it a second generation DeFi coin, Aave. Okay, that one's holding its own, but again, for a DeFi coin, that's not too bad. But again, I don't know where this will go. RSO's another one that was performing. Let's see here. Holding its own again, but really, we're looking for top performers, folks. ZIL is it so far. Somebody asked me about Chainlink. Let's check it out. Chainlink. I think Chainlink was a star performer up until midway this year, and look what's happened. It's like what I said. From around let's say $5 to $20, gone into decline and gone nowhere or flat. So it's definitely not a top performer as it used to be. Ethereum we've talked about. Vet used to do really well. Let's check out that one. Just looking at any of the other coins here. Let's see here. Again, really been in decline. It's kind of recovering, but why bother? This coin here, a lot of talk people had for was Bitcoin Cash. Today it is profitable, but this one's kind of fallen off as well. Nice return there from 220 to 372, about a 50% return. Again, nothing to get really excited about. So you can already see the coins that are performing, that have held their own, and that might have some long-term sustainability. Okay, let's look at EOS. EOS can do well, but I'm not going to feel it. I know I'm not. Yeah, again, really. Okay, we got BZRX, USDT. Jeez, that's pretty embarrassing. I'm just looking for any profitable ones out of this lot here from today. Did I talk about Atom? I think I did. I'll look at that again just to make sure. Yeah, okay, we did. Alright, so you already see the day here, looking for any profitable ones that we haven't looked at already. We've looked at Vet. Let's look at Cardano. There's a lot of talk about Cardano. Now, these coins should be moving in conjunction with Bitcoin. This one had a big move, whoop-de-doo, 10 cents to 17 right now, doubled. Okay, so we got another one here called GRT. I think that's a new one. My bot will pick up new ones. GRT, let's see it. Yeah, this is a typical move, and it just starts to peter out, never come back. Typical like penny stock move. So a lot of these are manipulated. ELGD. Let's see. This is the Eagle. I think maybe I don't know. I don't know a lot of these. I think a lot of these new coins. Okay, so let's talk about this one. $8 to 26. Now that's a good move. So this is another one I've seen time and time again, but that one I'm surprised with. Done pretty good. So that one and ZIL. I'm going to keep these up so you know which ones are doing well. For whatever reason. Again, I don't know the story, nor do I care. I speculate that's what the bot does. So out of that lot, we don't have anything new. So we had another day of a performer again here. So let's go through those. All right. Got any comments or questions? Just let me know. SRM. Again, I only want to focus on those that are performing. Okay. So the next one we have is SRM. SRM. So for the amount of coins that we are looking at, there's very few that are looking worthwhile to even hold. But these other ones I've got open right now look pretty good. ZEN, 6 to 7, 15, no. So SRM we got to get rid of as well. So what do we got? We looked at Ocean, ELGLD, ZRX I think can do well too. ZRX, let's look at that. No. ZRX, Litecoin we liked, Dash, XTZ, this is Tezos, they talked about this one. I'm going to be probably disappointed with this, but you never know. Okay, so that's how Tezos, yeah, that's a disappointment. BAT, USDT, no. Next one, Compound. This is the big hyped up DeFi coin, and this is pretty well the first one that came out a year ago. And if I showed you a year ago, let's go back 1 month or 2 week, maybe, no, 1 week. So you can see here it came out guns a-blazing and just been in a steady decline mode. Forget it. Let's see what else we have here. Compound Wi-Fi, Theta. This one I used to like. Let's see if that's still the case. Let's see if this disappoints. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. 40 cents all the way up to $1.70. Ba-boom. So when you're looking at coins that have done well, Bitcoin's up 3 times. This is up, looks like roughly 4, definitely more than 4 times, 400%. Very nice, as our friends would say. Balancer's another one. This one could do okay. This is another. I've always liked this one, but it's been a disappointment. That's a DeFi coin. ICX. Let's see. ICX USDT. Boom, not good. ICX Sushi we looked at. Aave CRV we looked at. GRT BCH. KSM. Nah. We like these steady moves up. Near Atom XSP. Let's see that one. SXP. No. SXP USDT. Okay, let's see. Very bad. Last one, Algo, and then we have Stellar. BZRA, Algo. No. But you can see the amount that are just not proving to be anything at all. XLM. This could be okay, but this is going to be probably pretty choppy from the last time I saw it. Yeah. Big move, and then just drop down. No good. That's pretty well out of that batch. Do we look at Zen? Okay, Zen. USDT. Forget it. Alright, so now we're going to move on to our next day, which is this one with 3 coins here. And then we're going to look at this list here. We'll get 3 more batches. Probably we already looked at a good chunk of them. But let's look at these guys. Okay, so out of that lot, this is obviously a slow day. So these are good little coins to have. But I think we already looked at a lot of them. GRT we looked at. So they can still somewhat perform. Ocean, Eagle, D. So when you see these from time to time, it shows that they're still kind of performing, because these are being traded when they're at the time hot coins. Like it could be for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, who knows, but they're performing. But a lot of them we've already looked at. Yeah, we looked at that one, XXP, but there are a lot of them are just disappointments. XRP, EOS. Okay, here's one we haven't looked at. Filecoin. Let's look at that one. FIL coin. I just don't think this will excite me either. Wow, that's pretty sad. I mean, if you know about coins that are going to perform at the beginning, maybe jump in, but chances are they're not going to do that well. So we're right here. So I think this is the last day, or second last day of coins. Files, CRVs, SNX. Did we look? I think we looked at Near, EOS, Aave, Sushi, Eagle, Litecoin, Dash, XRP, SRM, Rune. So these are performing from time to time, but when you think they are, you just see that you're going to take a loss. So, you know, but some of these coins are performing to be like all stars. Just going through this list again. Anything new in there? No. Again, let's look at this. I don't see anything new out of that. So there you go. Not trade on the futures market in Binance. We only have 3, 4, maybe. This one, ZIL, looks good. BAT, no. And Theta. Theta I like. But you didn't see my favorite here, XMR. But that's been steadily climbing, but it's a good one to hodl. But other than that, well, let's look at CoinMarketCap. Let me just pull up a browser here. CoinMarketCap, and we'll look at the ones based upon volume. Let's see, cryptocurrencies, crypto. I think I looked at BNB a few days ago, but again, it's just like the regular ones, just choppy. That's not too bad. That's a good one to hodl. But my bot's not picking it up for some reason. Let's look at this again. Chainlink we talked about, XLM, this is a stable coin, you won't find those. BSV, let's see how that's been trading. Right, I guess it's not listed. I remember Binance didn't like this coin. SV. No, they don't have it anymore, I guess. And it doesn't matter. What else we got here? Stellar. This one as well, WBTC. That was a DeFi coin. WBTC. USDT. This is a wrapped one where I can't remember what this is, and nor do I care for it. So they got rid of. So I guess it's not in the futures market. Yeah, it's just been kind of going nowhere. Monero we looked at, NEM, XEM, Tron we looked at, Tezos, Data, Leo I don't think Binance has. Pretty sure on that. No. No. Alright, so we'll go through the next small batch out of this lot here. Wrapped, not a lot. Die's an interesting one. Neo, what else we got here? Cosmos, Atom, Aave, File. So yeah, that's not doing too good. Uni is another one, Uniswap. That was a hot one for a while. USDT. Yeah, gone nowhere. What else we got? I forgot about that one. And we're already down to the top 45 or something. I mean, that's pretty sad. Waves, that's doing okay. Again, nothing I would be jumping all over. Compound, we look at. Oh, let's look at one more. Maker. I had a lot of hope in this one, so maybe this might do okay. So there you go. We're going to leave it at that. I don't think there's any purpose to it, but if you're just joining us, here's the coins to hold. Theta has been doing really well, 4-time performance. ZIL has done well as well. This new one, EGLD, looks good, but we'll see how it performs moving forward. But of course, the standard BTC, Ethereum, all that. There might be some movements over the next few months with the DeFi coins as Ethereum starts to really, if it's already at 750, that's an awesome number. Then you're going to get new coins, or maybe some of the older DeFi coins might start to perform again because of it in the new year. The other prediction I'm starting to see is the Libra. Now, just so you know, that the Facebook Libra project has been renamed, apparently. I can't remember the name of it. Okay, let's see here. Facebook Libra renamed. Can't remember the name of it. Yeah, to Diem. DIEM. So this might be the next catalyst to really move crypto. If this comes out, and it's supposed to, they've talked about. I haven't seen any news lately on it, but it's supposed to be coming out for like early 2021 release, maybe January, February, and it might be and then they put it out as a stable coin as well. That will be the coin that'll be regulated, not tethered. This is the coin that the central banks are afraid of, I believe, of the Facebook one because of the potential manipulation out of it. But it may give Bitcoin a run for its money. And if any coin can do it, be this one. So there might be some good out of it. It's also, will Binance list it as well? If they're smart, they will. Or Kraken will list it as well. So it'll be quite interesting to watch. But we'll leave it at that. I do think a lot of the coins I've listed here will drop off eventually. I just don't know how and why a exchange would want to keep worst performing coins, unless Bitcoin will drop. But when you look at these daily moves, you can see here there's fewer and fewer red bars. Okay, so if you were to look at the hourly, right now it's been very quiet. It hits the top end, but it's just these legs up that you can make a boatload. Like right now, as the thing is just hitting as momentum comes into the Bitcoin bot, the Kraken bot, it just drives up the price and the profit levels like crazy. As I said, 50, it was, I think, almost 60,000 yesterday. It was crazy. Again, I gotta keep mentioning, that's theoretical, but that's just from real market data with one real Bitcoin. With the current way the bot trades, that is a very strong possibility. We'll leave it at that. But thanks for watching. I'll put in some more stuff out on this, maybe. But thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.